Hello, today we're going to be learning the satin stitch. So we'll go ahead and get started. Come up on one side and then you make as straight of a line as you can. It's always easier to start on a side where it's been marked for you already. You're going to go straight down that side, pull your needle through. Today I'm working with DMC pearl cotton so that you can see a different type of floss out there. You can see that it's just twisted, it's one type of cotton, and that way you don't have to work with different strands. Sorry, this is looped in mine. So this is what it looks like. I like using this when I'm doing satin stitch because it just is a nice even stitch. You don't have to worry about if all the pieces of floss are in order. So all you do is you come up next to that one, make sure your little tail from your knot underneath doesn't come through, and then you just come down right next to the other one that you made, and you just continue along doing this all the way across to do satin stitch. This is a great method to use for color fill if you need to fill an area. Some people use French knots. Some people like to use satin stitch. It's really kind of up to you. This just gives such like a nice, even look to it that a lot of people like using it. For me, it took a lot of practice to get even like decent at it. So just be patient with yourself using it. In my patterns, I have a thank you note at the end, and I mention in them that my Nana is the one who taught me how to embroider, and satin stitch was her least favorite. So all embroiderers have stitches they do and don't like, things that they struggle with. This is just a really good one if you, again, want to fill an area, want it to look really nice and smooth and even, as you could see. But give it some time, be gentle with yourself. Know that sometimes it takes a lot of practice. Can be especially tough on irregular shapes if you're working with those. So yeah, this is the satin stitch. You just continue all the way across, and then you are done. I'll go ahead and stop it there so you don't have to just hear me talk on for the rest of this little square, but you can see how it's done. Thanks for watching.